HarborHoist blower motor troubleshooting and replacement. This video will focus on replacing the blower motor. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the front plate and around the perimeter of the housing. Remove the housing. Lift up the control module front plate with a screwdriver and place it sideways in the front housing opening. Remove leads from blower and connect the leads to a multimeter. Power up the control.
Press up on the control panel and then measure the voltage on the blower leads.
Caution: this is high voltage of 110 AC when measuring. If it does not read 110 to 120 VAC, then the main control module is bad. Replace it. If it reads 110 to 120 VAC, the blower is bad. Replace it. Remove motor assembly. Remove the ground wires connected to the blower motor. Loosen lower hose clamp and note the orientation of the motor so that when you replace it, it will fit inside the housing. Pull motor assembly from the air manifold. Connect the new blower assembly back on to the air manifold. Tighten the lower hose clamp, verifying the orientation of the motor is the same as when it was removed. Reattach the motor wire leads and ground. Power up the control and verify it operates properly. Reassemble the housing and front plate. Place housing over control module and allow the control module to slide through the opening. Reorient the control module front plate back in place. Secure front plate and housing screws back in place.